when you keep hearing recession, even if you have a job, you're beginning to wonder by hearing this over and over again, when is it going to hit you? When is it going to hit your family?
Just like the posed question, do you really know when a recession will hit you? Are you prepared when that happens? A lot of experts and financial strategists alike are talking about recession and its possibility that it will strike the economy in no time. But this specific economist that I will be introducing to you shortly does not believe that a recession is just around the corner. Join me as I share with you what Quincy Krosby has to say about a recession and how, for her, recession won't come close for now. Quincy Krosby is a data strategist and financial commentator known for her expertise in the field of economics and her insights into financial markets. Krosby has appeared on various media outlets, including CNBC, Bloomberg, and Fox Business, providing analysis and commentary on economic and market trends. Well, anyways, before telling you if there's a possibility of a recession that can pose a threat, what do we really know about it? What is a recession? Well, my friends, picture it like this. Imagine the economy as a roller coaster ride. When things are going well, it's like a thrilling ascent, full of excitement and growth. But every now and then, the economy gets a little queasy and decides to take a nosedive. A recession is that stomach-churning part of the roller coaster where everything starts going downhill. It's a period of economic decline, kind of like when your favorite ice cream shop suddenly runs out of your favorite flavor. Sad times indeed. So, technically speaking, recession is an economic downturn characterized by a significant decline in economic activity. It is generally marked by a contraction in gross domestic product, or GDP, for 2 consecutive quarters or more. During a recession, businesses may experience decreased sales and profits, leading to job losses and higher unemployment rates. Consumers tend to spend less, resulting in reduced demand for goods and services. It's a time when everyone starts holding onto their wallets tighter than their old teddy bear from childhood. Recessions often occur as a result of various factors, such as a decrease in consumer spending, a decline in business investments, a tightening of credit availability, or a decrease in government spending. These factors can create a negative cycle where reduced economic activity leads to further job losses and reduced spending, causing the economy to shrink further. During a recession, people tighten their purse strings, businesses struggle to make sales, and unemployment starts knocking on doors like a persistent salesperson. According to Quincy Krosby, she does not picture a recession anytime soon because Americans are budgeting more. They are more cautious now.
So perhaps what we're seeing is that Americans are being more cautious. They are budgeting accordingly to what they're going to be doing over the summer.
You see, when people start tightening their belts and budgeting more, it's like they've joined the frugal Olympics, ready to take home the gold in money management. They're being more cautious with their finances, keeping a watchful eye on their spending, and saying, "Not today," unnecessary splurges. Americans are still hitting the road and soaring through the skies when they travel, but they're finding clever ways to satisfy their wanderlust without breaking the bank. So with Americans budgeting more and still embracing their inner travel bugs, it's a positive sign that a recession might not be lurking just around the corner. When people continue to travel and spend within their means, it reflects a certain level of consumer confidence. It implies that individuals have faith in the economy and feel secure enough to engage in leisure activities without overextending themselves financially. This confidence can contribute to overall economic stability, as consumer spending plays a significant role in driving economic growth. Of course, we can't predict the future with absolute certainty. If only we had those crystal balls. But for now, let's celebrate the fact that Americans are rocking the art of cautious budgeting while still satisfying their wanderlust. Another thing that Krosby has said is that when you have an unemployment rate of just 3.4%, it's hard to envision a recession is just around the corner.
But when you have an unemployment rate of 3.4%, it's hard to envision that a recession is just around the corner.
You might be curious why, so here's how. You see, When the unemployment rate sits comfortably at such a low level, it's like a superhero cape waving in the wind, signaling a robust job market and a bustling economy. People are finding employment opportunities, clocking in, and contributing their skills to various industries. It's a sight that brings smiles to faces, as steady jobs mean stability, financial security, and the chance to pursue dreams. When unemployment is low, it's a sign that businesses are thriving, creating job openings, and eager to hire talented individuals. It's like a job fair, where employers are eagerly waving "now hiring" signs, and job seekers are dancing their way into gainful employment. This dance between supply and demand in the job market sets the stage for economic growth and shields against the shadow of a recession. However, we must approach this with a touch of caution. While a low unemployment rate acts as a guardian against immediate recession fears, it's not an invincible shield. Economic landscapes can shift, and uncertainties can arise, reminding us that the future holds surprises, both good and challenging. This discussion about recession received mixed sentiments among Americans. For others, the reality of recession will hit soon, and it shouldn't be hidden. This is also what a citizen said, and I quote, "17 trillion in CC debt. Reality to hit soon. Budgeting? Ha ha ha." To give you a backgrounder, this enormous figure represents the collective credit card debt owed by individuals and households. It's a reflection of the challenges many people face in managing their finances and keeping their credit card balances in check. Excessive credit card debt can contribute to financial instability on both individual and systemic levels. If individuals are unable to make timely payments on their debts, it can result in defaults and delinquencies. This can have a cascading effect, impacting financial institutions that hold these debts and potentially leading to a credit crunch. Financial instability can disrupt lending, investment, and overall economic functioning, increasing the risk of a recession. Also, when people have excessive debt, it can restrict their ability to save, invest, and participate in the economy. This financial strain can lead to reduced consumer spending, which is a key driver of economic growth. If a large portion of the population is struggling to manage their debt, it can create a ripple effect, potentially dampening economic activity. However, other citizens have also expressed that, indeed, there is no recession around the corner. These citizens are observing positive economic indicators that suggest a healthy and stable economy. For example, they noted low unemployment rates, strong GDP growth, robust consumer spending, and a thriving stock market. These indicators can instill confidence and reinforce the belief that a recession is not imminent. When it comes to the possibility of a recession, it's important to remember that predicting the future of the economy is no easy task. While economists, analysts, and experts offer their perspectives, the truth is that the economy is a complex beast with numerous variables at play. It can be as unpredictable as your favorite TV series final or the whims of a mischievous squirrel in the park. That being said, it's always prudent to be prepared for potential economic challenges, regardless of whether a recession is on the horizon or not. Being prepared means adopting good financial habits and maintaining a solid financial foundation. It involves practices such as budgeting, saving for emergencies, managing debt responsibly, and diversifying investments. These actions can help individuals and households navigate economic uncertainties more effectively. It's about finding a middle ground where we can be responsible with our finances while still savoring the present. What do you think about this topic? Let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.